Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making air fryer pumpkin. Let's get right to it. You want to start by washing the pumpkin on the outside to remove any dirt and then drying it with a kitchen towel. Place the pumpkin on a cutting board and cut it in half vertically. As the pumpkin skin is quite thick, you need to use a sharp knife to pierce the skin and chop it. Hold the pumpkin steady and cut very carefully. Using one hand, remove the seeds and fiber from both halves of the pumpkin. Slice the pumpkin into wedges and transfer them into a big bowl. Add pressed garlics, cooking oil, ground black pepper, salt, cornstarch. Toss them to coat them with the seasoning. Arrange the pumpkin in a single layer on air fryer tray. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Serve immediately and then air fryer pumpkin is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.